Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Union County and northeastern New Jersey until 4:15 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Plainfield, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Plainfield around 3:35 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.